That it has very, very, very lush chords, really intricate chord changes, and is usually done very, very, very fast. So this has a scat section to it, an enormous scat section to it, that we thought we would never learn when we first started doing this. And now, every time they do it, I think it gets a little faster, and a little faster, and a little faster. So they've finally gotten bebop. So, and I'd like to thank Mr. Badham for inviting us to be part of his concert yet again. Thank you.
Off the